Hover over your username, then click on My Products. Click on the product whose SEO data you would like to edit. Next, hover over Manage, then click on Edit SEO Data. The first field is for the display text for photos. This is also known as the alt text or the alternative text. A customer sees this text when they move their mouse over one of your product photos, or they see this text when they're unable to load one of your product photos. Search engines like Google use this data to understand what an image is. The next field is for meta tag keywords. These are search terms that you think a customer may use to find your product on a search engine. Separate each of these terms with a comma. These terms will be different for each product and each enterprise. Also consider that 40% of the keywords input into Google are misspellings, so be sure to misspell some of your keywords as well. The last field is for meta tag description. This is a short, meaningful description that your customer might see when they come across your product in a search engine. Don't just list strings of keywords here, though you do want to repeat many of your keywords within this description. Make sure your meta description is short, easy to understand, and uses proper sentence structure. When you're finished editing your SEO settings, click the Save button. That was external search engine optimization. For internal, hover over Manage, then click on Edit Detail. The four fields that will be indexed in Biznet3's product search are the name, the product ID, the short description, and tags. Customers will of course be able to search for your product by name, and if you have a unique ID for your product, your customers can search for it by that as well. The terms that you use in your short description will also be indexed for the product search, so keep that in mind. The most important field for internal SEO is the tags field. Add descriptive keywords separated by commas. These can be words that you've already used in your short description, the product name, the description and content, or even words that you haven't used at all. Now when customers search for these terms, my product will show up in the results. When you're finished, click the Save button.